Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you, bringing you headline made by Bharatiya Janata Party leader and Mathura MP Hema Malini, the star-turned politician who today posed in farm fields with women farmers, posing with a bunch of the wheat crops and sickle in her hand. Well, this has not garnered a very positive response online, as a lot of users on social media has rather directed criticism towards her that she claims in her caption that she has been meeting these farmers regularly is a total hoax and a PR script right ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. This is what users across social media are commenting and trolling her through memes and jokes under her this post. Ahead of the Lok Sabha elections of 2024, Bharatiya Janata Party leader and Mathura constituency candidate Hema Malini gained online criticism after posing with farmers as part of her election campaign. The film star turned politician took to social media X and captioned, "Today I went to the farms to interact with the farmers who I've been meeting regularly these 10 years. They loved having me in their midst and insisted I pose with them, which I did." Meanwhile, her post has sparked numerous memes and jokes. Responding to her recent post, a commentator referred to the movie Sholay, stating, "You must be reminiscing about Ramgarh." Well, many took a jibe at her, joking that Kanjivaram silk open here in mid-April. Should not you fire your PR agency? While another user replied, "Kya time pass hai? How many times have you been through without a chopper? Have some shame, you don't deserve to be even contesting." Furthermore, a user wrote, "Madam, first tell me, what do you have a bunch of mint or a coriander in your hand?" It is further to be noted that it is not the first time instance of her being photographed in the fields holding wheat sacks and sickle. Earlier in 2019, similar images surfaced, leading to criticism labeling it as election drama. Some users resurfaced her old pictures from 2019 election campaign and wrote, and these were just before 2019 election. "Apne to apne hote hain, feeling so emotional right now." Another user wrote, "Truth is you insisted them to pose, ignoring their resistance. It is clearly visible on their face." Another user comment, "Never saw you interacting with farmers who protested." Hema Malini is fielded by BJP for the third consecutive time from Mathura Lok Sabha seat, Uttar Pradesh, which contributes the highest number of MPs, that is 80, to the parliament, will vote across all 7 phases. Phases 1 and 2 are scheduled for April 19 and April 26, followed by phases 3 and 4 on May 7 and May 13. The state will then proceed with the phases 5 and 6 and 7 on May 20, May 23rd and June 1 respectively. Mathura will poll in the second phase of general elections on April 26. Another user going by the name of Professor Abhishek Asthana also commented that, "Do we still fall for such election gimmicks in 21st century?" Ganesh Kumar, another user, replied, "Finally, because of Modi, the farmers can harvest their crops once in 5 years. The crops can wait till their MP arrives. Wow, Modi ji, wow." Farmers are earning less, struggling with food prices, not getting MSP. Our MPs are solving all this by doing photo shoots. You think being an MP is all about posing for pictures in farm? Don't mock the farmers. Why did people even bother to vote for you in the first place? While other user going by the name Sanjeev Mishra questioned her regularity. If she is regularly meeting farmers, then Modi is doing press conference regularly. Trollers did not spare her, stating that ये प्योर नटंकी मत करो, कम से कम स्क्रिप्ट तो ढंग का रखो कि किसी को लगे कि रियल है। मथुरा में 5 साल में एक बार फसल काटी जाती है क्या? और जितना मैं जानता हूँ, लोग सुबह 6 साढ़े 6 तक घर आ जाते हैं फसल काट के। भला मनाओ बीजेपी वेव का कि तुम सबकी नैया पार हो रही है। Well, that's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to The Savera.